This right here. This is gonna fix the DJI RS4 Mini. But before I show you exactly what this is, I wanna show you what the biggest problem is with the DJI RS4 Mini. Now this is an awesome gimbal. If you haven't seen it already, I made a whole beginner's guide all around this gimbal. And I think this is gonna be like the perfect travel gimbal. It's gonna be something that I just keep in my backpack all the time. I actually just got back from a shoot. That's why I have all my gear out. I was just taking all of this with me. I had a production yesterday. But the biggest problem with the RS4 Mini is the same problem that's with basically all of DJI's gimbals. And that is this camera plate. So on all of DJI's gimbals, you have a proprietary gimbal plate. Like you have this thing right here. But the problem is with DJI's kind of setup that they have with their gimbals, this camera plate's actually kind of big. Like it sticks out from the camera a little bit too far. And it doesn't fit with all the different tools that I personally use. So when I'm out filming, I like to use my gimbal, but I like to pull my camera off my gimbal and be able to put it on my shoulder strap. And then if I want to grab a shot not using a gimbal, I want to put it on a tripod. So I want to have like one mounting system that basically works with all the different ways that I'm going to use my camera. So essentially you have this one piece that works on some devices, but it doesn't necessarily work in my shoulder strap the same way. And it's also bulky. I think the biggest problem with this camera plate in general is that it sticks out from the camera. So when I'm sliding it in and out of my backpack, you have to have like more space around the camera. I like to have everything kind of fit in my backpack nice and neat. Like I'm sure when you have your camera backpack, you want to pack it as much as possible. And if you're not packing full gear, you want to fit other things in there. And so when you have a camera plate that sticks out from the camera a little bit further, it kind of doesn't work with the camera cube system as well. So that's where this comes in. And so this is from FallCam. And so essentially what this is a replacement camera sled. So you have the one that comes with the RS4 Mini. Well, this is the exact same thing. However, this version uses the F38 system, which is something that FallCam has developed and allows you to use these much smaller camera plates that are skinnier. They fit really close to the camera. And also they fit on all different devices. So essentially this camera plate that comes with it is smaller, and it's also part of the whole F38 system. So it works with everything that FallCam puts out or Alonzi puts out. So you can put it on the camera sled to be able to work with your gimbal, but then you could also work with the shoulder mount or the tripods. And it basically just opens up the ability to be able to use your camera in a bunch of different devices and have one camera plate that basically works for the whole system. Now, obviously this is depending on the type of gear that you're using. However, I found that the F38 system gives me a ton of flexibility because I use all of their tripods now. I use their camera plates, I use their shoulder rigs, I use everything with this camera plate, and it's also smaller so that when I put it in the camera backpack, it's not as bulky. Now, one thing that you might be thinking about is, well, with the original RS4 Mini sled, you can move your camera left and right using this camera plate. Now, you can also do that with this new Alonzi sled as well. It's just a little bit different. So you have your camera plate that goes on the camera and it locks in to this sled that pushes back and forth on the gimbal. However, where the camera is connected to this camera sled, there's now these two screws on the bottom. And there's a little screwdriver that comes with it that's magnetized. And you can loosen both of these and you can slide this sled over and tighten these back up. And now it offsets your camera from this camera sled. So you still have that ability to push your camera left and right because on this gimbal, it is smaller and you do need that ability to move the camera around depending on your setup. But this new FallCam plate, you still have that ability, but it's not as easy to do. So you basically have to set it up, tighten on, and then put the sled back onto the gimbal. When I use my gimbal, I typically use the same type of setup again and again. I'm not rotating a bunch of different lenses. And so I'll be able to set up this plate, know exactly where I want to have it. And I'm not gonna be having to make this change very often unless I am working with wildly different setups back to back. Overall, this is a much better camera plate system if you are someone who is integrating your gimbal into other products. And if you're like me and you're out there doing some adventure style filmmaking, there's a good chance that you're gonna wanna hook it onto your backpack, or you're gonna wanna use a tripod, or maybe something like a camera slider, and you just wanna have one camera plate that allows you to hop between all of these different devices. Now, I'll put a link down below the description to where you can check this out. I was super excited when they announced this and I got the email, purchased it right away. It just showed up today and I've been playing around with it, testing it out, and I think it works great. I think it's a great solution if you are someone who doesn't want to work with the original DJI camera plate that comes with the RS4 Mini. Now, if you haven't already, make sure you check out my full beginner's guide for the DJI RS4 Mini. It goes through everything about this. And if you're someone who's making outdoor adventure style content, I just launched a 30-day to become an adventure creator course. I'll put a link to that down below in the description, but make sure you check out this video right here. It's the beginner's guide to the RS4 Mini, and I'll see you on the next one.